Hello everybody, my name is Sean Palladeas and today I will be going over my Project 2 Energy Consumption Tracker tool. This video is a demonstration of all the outputs for my program. So I've mounted my Google Drive to this folder and that allows me to extract and use the CSV files for data. So here I've used pandas to read the file. As you can see, it correctly displays all my outputs and data types as well as the columns. Moving on, I converted my power and the amount of hours I use into arrays. As we can see here, it can neatly converts it so that way we can do all of our math for it. As you can see here, down here, I've done my math. I've done the total household daily energy consumption in kilowatts per hours, average appliance energy consumption in kilowatts per hour, and the appliance with the highest energy usage, which turns out to be the air conditioner. Moving down here, I've also done the liberty of calculating the cost in USD. As we can see here, every appliance has a cost tied to it in its array, and we have the total daily household electrical cost, which is very helpful for tracking energy. We even included monthly and yearly costs, which are more standardized in stuff like bills. Coming down, I've also done the liberty of doing the math to convert all of these numbers into percentages, yet again, helping maybe see easier who is consuming the most amount of energy. It's still the air conditioner. And as we can see down here, once we run this code with mathplot.lib, then we can see that we create a beautiful pie chart, maybe good for presentations or having a client view what's eating at their cost. Same thing down here, but with a bar graph and an X and Y graph. And same thing here, scatter plot X and Y graph with a proper title. Moving down, what if we want to add our own data to the table? Then we can come down here and I can show you that we can use pandas to concatenate arrays together and add data. So I've added a desktop lamp and a computer monitor here. I gave it pretty reasonable numbers. 10 power watt lamp, 5 hours a day, computer monitor 30, 7 hours per day. All in the data that you've seen up there. So second, I can, as you can see here, using the same exact functions as up there, I can now recalculate all my costs, allowing a client to see maybe if I add this and how's my cost going to increase. As you can see here, everything, the yearly cost, even percentage contribution, and it turns out the air conditioner is still eating at our power. Even then, we could still simply create our graphs and our data, and running our final task here will show that we can even generate a report automatically. This is my full program, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, and bye.